Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. And that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making some homemade Sazon. Now you might say, well, we can buy it ready-made, so why are you making homemade Sazon? Well, the ready-made version, they tend to use artificial coloring in it. I'm not a fan of using anything artificial, so that's why I prefer to make a homemade version. So let's get started. All right, so here I have my mixing bowl that I'm going to use in order to mix all the ingredients together. All right, so we're going to start off with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Okay, so 1 teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to put, 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. All right, so we have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. Okay, I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, ground coriander. I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. This is where the Sazon gets its color. I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of ground annatto powder. So the turmeric and the annatto is what gives the Sazon its color, okay? I don't know why they need to put artificial color in if they already have the natural color in here. All right, let's see if I can get this out. I'm going to get another teaspoon. I already put 1. Come on, work with me. Okay, so 2 teaspoons of annatto powder. All right. So guys, this here is our homemade Sazon. I'm just going to combine everything, mix it well. Oh, no, I forgot salt. How could I forget the salt? Okay, hold on, guys. I need to go and get the salt. Okay, so we're going to add 2 teaspoons of sea salt. 1, 2. Good. All right, we're also going to add some black pepper. So I have my peppercorns here. All right, guys, so I have my half a teaspoon of black pepper. I ended up using my spice grinder to grind it up, just to save time. All right, so let's mix all of this together. And this, guys, is our homemade Sazon. So if you want to stay away from the artificial stuff, then you could make it yourself. And see what I did? I kept an old spice container, and I'm going to be putting my homemade Sazon in it. You just want to make sure you mix everything well, combine everything together. So I just need to get a funnel in order for me to put it in my container. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video showing you how to make your homemade Sazon. I'm going to have to make a homemade funnel. I would have had to go and rinse out my funnel, and if it gets wet, then I can't use it now. So I'm going to make a homemade funnel. So I have my pestle here. I'm going to use it to shape my, I'm using foil paper to shape a funnel. I just need to get the thing out. All right, just peel like this. The opening here. I'm actually going to rip it, so I think it's not so high up. All right, so let's put our homemade mixture in. I have to be very careful so I don't make a mess.